Hi everyone and welcome to your channel IELTS Perfection. Are you struggling with time or finding answers in IELTS reading? Today I'll show you how skimming and scanning can skyrocket your reading score. Let's get started. So basically skimming is understanding the main idea quickly and scanning is finding specific information fast. Let's explore skimming in details. Skimming means reading quickly to grasp the general meaning of a passage. Focus on titles, headings, and the first and the last sentences of each paragraph to understand the overall structure. So it all basically means read the titles and headings, note the bold or italicized words, and read the first and the last sentences of each paragraph. Scanning, on the other hand, is about finding specific information. Look for keywords, dates, names, or unique terms related to the question. So, to do that, you need to underline the keywords in the question, search for these keywords or synonyms in the text, and read around the keyword to find the answer. Now let's see how to combine skimming and scanning effectively. Number 1. Start by skimming the entire passage to understand the main idea. This should not take more than 2 minutes. Number 2. Move to the questions. Underline keywords or phrases in each question. Number 3. Scan the passage to locate the keywords. Look for synonyms if the exact words do not appear. And number 4. Read the sentences around the keywords carefully to find your answer. Let's put this into practice. Here we have a text about the history of Eiffel Tower. Based on this strategy, we need to skim the text first. To do that, we need to read the title and headings, pay attention to bold or italicized words, and read the first and the last sentences of each paragraph. After that, we need to move to the questions and underline keywords or phrases in each question. Keywords in the questions are Eiffel Tower, completed, year, tallest, man-made structure, role, and World War I. Now it's time to go back to the passage and scan for keywords or synonyms, and read carefully for the answers. The answer to question number 1 is 1889. The answer to question number 2 is 1930. And the answer to question number 3 is, it was used as a radio transmission tower. And one more time, skimming is to read for general idea, and scanning is to read for specific details. Keep studying hard, and I'll see you in the next lesson.